5 best work at home for introverts. You look the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexible and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step how you can earn money on using these 5 jobs at home. So first of all, we have here Promos. So you can submit the application Promos, or you can also use promos.com. So to make money on Promos, you have to start by signing up as a contributor on their platform. Offers a variety of tasks, often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interest and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you typically receive payment upon task completion and review, the key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform. Quickly accept and complete tasks and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So this is how it works with Promos, and here we have how it looks. Also we have videos here showing that. You can just click over this video to more understand. We have also here over than 10 million of download. We have and we have here for over than 3 years. So you click over install and then you get started with Promos. Then we have the next one, we have Verpection.com. So this is the homepage. All I have to do is dive into Verpection.com and you read this information to more understand about Verpection, and you get started by clicking over login and you click over sign up and then you start with it. So to make money on Verpection, start by signing up as a tester on their platform. Verpection specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you will have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on your experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues for or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver draw high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is how it works with Verpection. And let's move on to the next one. We have SurveyTime. So all you have to do is dive into surveytime.io. We have here the homepage and you have various information. So to sign up, all I have to do is click over sign up with email. You write your email address and your password, and then you click over sign in, and then you will find your account. If you want to sign up, you click over here and you choose also other options like Google, Facebook, or email. Write your email again and your password, then you click over start now. And then we have some information like how does SurveyTime work here. Sign up for SurveyTime for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. Then we have here why should you use SurveyTime. Low withdrawal threshold. Surveys for you. Never miss a new survey. Bonus rebate amount. Choose your reward. SurveyTime is global, and that's it. So I will explain you. To earn money on SurveyTime, start by signing up for an account on the platform. SurveyTime connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you will receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and truly to earn rewards. As SurveyTime offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey you completed, payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money with it. To maximize your earning, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. Then we have here PaperTrue. So to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by signing up as a freelancer on the platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you will be able to take an editing assignments where you review and refine documents, such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their quality, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadlines, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works at PaperTrue, and let's move on to Metro Opinion. So this is Metro Opinion. First of all, you choose your country, as you can see. Then how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. You have to sign up, then answer, and get paid. I will explain you more. To make money on Metro Opinion, you have to start by signing up for an account on their platform, which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you will receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Moreover, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So let's move to the next one. We have Appen. To earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and maintain and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance for recording can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with Appen, Metro Opinion, PaperTrue, Survey Time, Perfection, and the last one we have Promos. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.